Imagine holding a coin that once sparked global hype only to watch its value teeter on the edge of collapse. Over 668 million Pi coins are about to be unleashed into the market, and the consequences could be catastrophic. Trading volume has crashed 96%, big players are preparing to dump, and confidence is crumbling. But here's the twist. Despite this brewing storm, Pi holders are refusing to back down. Whispers of a Binance listing and a surprise appearance by Pi's founder at one of the biggest crypto events of the year are fueling a wave of unexpected optimism. So the big question is, will Pi collapse under its own weight, or is it preparing for a comeback that could shock the entire crypto space? Stay with me, because what you're about to discover could change the way you see Pi Network forever. The Pi Network has always been a unique player in the crypto space. Unlike most traditional blockchain projects, Pi didn't launch with a big money ICO or flashy exchange listings. Instead, it quietly built a community, millions of people mining Pi through their phones, buying into the vision of decentralized, accessible digital currency. That vision captivated the crypto world for a time. But here in the second quarter of 2025, that excitement has cooled. Now, Pi faces what might be its greatest challenge yet. From May through July, the crypto markets will be watching closely as Pi Network prepares to unlock over 668 million tokens. That's not a typo. We're talking about hundreds of millions of coins suddenly becoming available for trading. According to data pulled from PiScan, over 212 million Pi will unlock in May alone. Then June will bring another 222 million. And July? An even bigger hit, 233 million more. These aren't random numbers. This is the single largest wave of token unlocks in Pi's history, and it won't be matched again until at least 2027. Why does that matter? In crypto economics, supply and demand are everything. When a massive amount of new supply enters the market, especially one already grappling with low trading volume, it almost always spells trouble for price stability. And Pi's current market environment isn't exactly strong. Quite the opposite, in fact. Liquidity is low. Trading interest is fading. And now, the supply is about to explode. The situation becomes even more concerning when we look at where all these tokens are going. A growing percentage of Pi tokens are now sitting on centralized exchanges, or CEXs. That's not a coincidence. That's a signal. When tokens move to exchanges, it's usually because holders are preparing to sell. As of May, over 387 million Pi tokens are now held across major exchanges. BitGet alone is sitting on over 95 million, while OKX holds nearly 154 million Pi. What's striking is that this figure has doubled in less than 3 months. That means in just a short time, twice as many Pi tokens have become exchange-ready and potentially sell-ready. If even a fraction of those holders decide to dump their tokens, it could send shockwaves through the market. And with demand already at historic lows, the market might not have the strength to absorb it. CoinMarketCap reports that Pi's daily trading volume has collapsed from its early highs of $1.3 billion to just $45 million. That's a jaw-dropping 96% decrease. Think about that. At its peak, Pi was trading more volume in a day than some altcoins do in a week. Now, it barely makes a ripple. Low trading volume means less liquidity, and less liquidity means higher price volatility. It also means that any large-scale sell-offs could crash the price quickly and severely. In a worst-case scenario, this kind of environment can trigger a panic sell, where holders rush to exit, further accelerating the price drop. So, you might be wondering, why haven't Pi investors lost hope? Why are so many people still holding and even talking about a potential breakout? The answer lies in two powerful, though unconfirmed, developments that have reignited optimism within the community. The first is the possibility, just a rumor for now, that Pi could be listed on Binance. For anyone unfamiliar, Binance is the largest and most influential cryptocurrency exchange in the world. A listing there would mean massive exposure, significantly increased liquidity, and access to millions of new traders. It could be a game changer. According to a high-profile Pi investor account on X with over 100,000 followers, the Pi core team is reportedly in the final stages of negotiation with Binance. The post, which has gone viral among Pi communities, reads, "Soon. Pi will be listed on Binance Exchange. PCT is in final negotiation with Binance." That one tweet has been enough to inject hope into an otherwise shaky market. But that's not all. The second boost to morale comes from an official announcement. Dr. Nicholas Kokolis, the founder of Pi Network, is scheduled to speak at Consensus 2025. Now, Consensus isn't just any crypto event. It's one of the biggest, most respected blockchain conferences in the world. A place where the future of crypto is discussed, shaped, and launched. For Pi's founder to take the stage there signals something important. It suggests that the team is still active, still engaged with the wider crypto world, and possibly ready to reveal new developments or partnerships. And for Pi investors, that's enough to hang on to. There's also some good news worth mentioning. Despite the low trading volume and impending supply flood, Pi has managed to maintain relative price stability throughout early May. The token is currently hovering around 58 cents, neither collapsing nor rallying. It's holding steady, which suggests that many traders are cautiously watching and waiting rather than jumping ship. And let's not forget some of Pi's other recent achievements. Since launching its mainnet, Pi has managed to land some notable integrations. Chainlink, the industry-leading Oracle network, now supports Pi. Telegram's crypto wallet has also added Pi compatibility. If you've made it this far, you now know more than most people about what's really happening with Pi Network. The question is, are you holding on for the moon or preparing for impact? Either way, drop your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think will happen to Pi next? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a deep dive like this one. Until next time, stay sharp, stay skeptical, and keep mining with purpose.